is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Hello, what's up, baby girl? It's your girl Pinky. Welcome to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. So today I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle, fast and easy look. Right now I have my hair right now up like a ponytail. So yeah. But check out this cute clip. Ow, I put my hair. Clip that I have right here. Bam. Not only that, but it opens up. You can put in money in here, or you can put your weed in it. But yeah, check this out. Bam. So I'm gonna be putting some music. So you wanna go to Rumble for that. Make sure you subscribe to Rumble, and we'll be listening to some music while I do my hair. And here on YouTube, I'm not gonna be doing much talking, so I'm gonna be putting music that YouTube allows me to get. So yeah, that's the difference between YouTube and Rumble. In the Rumble, I do talking, and YouTube I don't. I just put, it's more like Virgil. So let's get started. Let's do my hair using this. Let's do it. Let's get it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, before we get started, this is the glue that I'm gonna be using. I mean the gel I'm gonna be using, and we have this that I'm gonna be using for to do my edges. Let's get started. so we finally done with this hairstyle look. It was this fast and easy look for us to do. I just did it like a ponytail. I squeeze this down a little bit. So this is the You Got to Be gel that I use, and my pencil right here. And I use this is for my eyebrows, but I use it for my hair. So yeah, and I'm just gonna stick this cute little bow right here on my hair. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna take it off instead. But yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on Rumble. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.